Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about AC series motor. We have already seen or studied about DC series motor. Okay. In DC series motor, if we give AC supply, what will happen? In DC series motor, when we have give AC supply, it will work, it will rotate, but it is in the unidirectional torque. In the same time, the performance of the motor is not a satisfactory one. When AC supply is given to the DC series motor, the performance is not in a good one. Okay, because of three reasons. The alternating flux causes eddy current loss in the yoke and field core, which causes overheating. That is the first one. And second reason is sparking will occur at brushes because of high voltage and current induced in the short circuited armature coils during their commutation period. Okay, second reason is sparking. And third one, power factor is low because of high inductance of the field and armature coil. These are the three reasons the not a good performance of the AC supply in the DC series motor. Okay, first one is eddy current losses, which occur in the yoke and field, and which causes overheating. And second one, sparking will occur at the brushes because of high voltage and current induced in the short circuited armature coils. And third one is power factor is low. Okay, so in order to rectify these three problems, we can improve the performance of the motor. Okay, so we need some modifications are there. Okay, to make the DC series motor performance good by giving the AC supply. Okay, so we are going to see about the modification in the motor. To reduce eddy current loss, laminating the yoke and field core. Okay, to reduce the eddy current loss, we should laminate the yoke and field core. Okay, when we laminate, the eddy current losses will be minimized. Okay, the power factor is improved. The third point is power factor. We are seeing here it as a second one. The power factor is improved by reducing the magnitude of reactance of field and armature winding. Okay, because field and armature winding. Okay, the field winding reactance is decreased by decreasing the number of turns on the field winding, but this will reduces the field flux. Okay, because of the expression n proportional to 1 by pi. Okay, so that the speed increases, torque decreases. Okay, as a motor we need torque, good torque. Okay, to obtain the same torque, okay, good torque. Okay, increasing the number of armature turns. Okay, increasing the number of armature turns, this will increases the inductive reactance of the armature. Okay, so it is happened by and it is neutralized by the compensating winding. Okay, we are giving a additional winding to the motor, that is a compensating winding. Okay, next the third one, to reducing the sparking. Okay, in generally the DC series motor have a compensating poles. Okay, but it is not enough in AC series motor. Okay, because of large voltages induced in armature coil. Alternating flux in the field winding induce voltage by transformer action in the short circuited armature coil during its commutation. Okay, the field winding associated with the armature and undergoing pole acting as a primary. At the same time, armature coil during its commutation act as a short circuited secondary. Okay, like a transformer. Okay, a transformer we are having a two windings, primary winding and secondary winding. Okay, like that here, field winding associated with the armature coil act as a primary. Armature coil during its commutation act as a secondary, short circuited secondary. Okay, and the transformer action produces heavy current in the armature coil and results in sparking. Okay, to neutralize the transformer action, shunting the winding of each commutating poles with a non-inductive resistance. It means pure resistance. Okay, shunting a commutating pole with a pure resistance or non-inductive resistance. It means pure resistance. Okay, we can see the diagram here. Below the compensating winding, the interpole winding is shunted with or parallel with a resistance. Okay, where one variable resistance is added. Okay, by that we can reduce the sparking. Okay, this is the AC series motor. These are the modifications are needed when we give AC supply is given to the ordinary DC series motor. Thank you.